Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to break down something that really, truly affects every single one of us who has a bank account in India. It's a critical new rule book from the Reserve Bank of India, and it's all about making our banking system safer. So let's decode what these new rules are and why this upgrade matters so much.
All right, first things first, let's paint a picture. Imagine it's the end of the month. You've got rent to pay, maybe some groceries to buy. You pull out your phone, you open up your banking app, and nothing. It's just broken.
I mean, we've all been there, right? A UPI transfer fails, the app freezes, the ATM is just out of service. It's more than just annoying. It can completely mess up your day. Well, all of these little breakdowns fall under one big, important umbrella term. And that term is operational risk. So what is it? Put simply, it's the risk of things going wrong inside a bank. This could be anything: a software bug, a human error, a server crashing, or even something from the outside, like a big cyber attack. It's basically the why behind your banking service suddenly failing.
So if that's the problem, what on earth is the solution? Well, this is where the banking system's head referee steps in with a brand new set of instructions.
That's right, we're talking about the Reserve Bank of India, the RBI. Think of them as the guardians of our entire financial system. It's their job to make sure banks are safe, stable, and ready for whatever the modern world throws at them. And they've just rolled out a major update.
On April 30th, 2024, the RBI released this, the Guidance Note on Operational Risk Management and Operational Resilience. It's a mouthful, I know, but you can just think of it as the new high-tech defense plan for our entire banking sector.
But you might be wondering, why now? Why was this upgrade so desperately needed? Well, to really get that, you have to see just how old the previous rulebook actually was.
Okay, check out this timeline. The original rules, they were written in 2005. Let that sink in for a second. In 2005, the iPhone didn't even exist. UPI was years and years away. Digital banking was this tiny niche thing. The old rules were basically built for an analog world. This new guidance finally brings India up to speed with the latest global standards, which were set back in 2021.
And this really sums up the whole mission. The RBI, which has been ensuring our financial stability for 90 years, is now evolving its own rules to protect an economy that is, let's face it, digital first. The game has totally changed, so the rules have to change with it.
And just to be super clear, this isn't just some internal tweak. This is about bringing our entire banking system in line with the best practices from all around the world. It makes our financial system stronger, more stable, and a lot more trustworthy on the global stage.
Now, this new rulebook is built on two really important ideas. They sound kind of similar, but they're actually very different. So let's break down these two pillars of protection: risk management versus resilience.
The best way to think about this is with a simple analogy. Operational risk management is all about prevention. It's like building a big, strong fence around your house to keep any trouble out. Simple enough. But operational resilience, and this is the really new and important part, is all about recovery. It accepts that, hey, sometimes someone is going to get over the fence. Resilience is the plan for what happens next. How do you handle it? How do you recover quickly? And how do you get back to normal?
So here's the bottom line. The RBI says resilience is the ability to keep your critical operations running, even when things are going haywire. And what's a critical operation? Well, it's the stuff you absolutely need, like processing your UPI payments or letting you withdraw cash. So it's not just about stopping problems anymore. It's about making sure the bank can take a punch and keep on going.
Okay, so we've covered the problem, the RBI's new solution, and some of the key terms. But let's get down to it. What does any of this actually mean for you, the person who just wants their bank to work?
It means your banking experience should get noticeably better. It means more reliable services, fewer of those server down messages. It means way better protection against hacks or system failures. And, most importantly, when something does go wrong, your bank is now required to have a plan to get back online fast. And this isn't just a suggestion. Banks have to prove they can do this, or they'll face action from the RBI. It's all about accountability.
So if you remember one thing from all this, make it this. Your bank's job is no longer just about building a fortress. Now they have to prove they can withstand a siege and come back even stronger. It's a huge shift from just security to real, tested resilience.
And that leaves us with one final thought. In a world where the threats are always changing and getting more complex, these new rules are a fundamental change in mindset.
The goal isn't just to defend against failure anymore. It's to build a financial system that is designed from the ground up to endure it. Thanks for tuning in.